Hi guys, so today we are going to go to Dona Paula and you can see that it is raining very heavily, but we are still going there. So now we are crossing the Miramar Beach Circle. Let's find a parking spot. Okay guys, so we have reached Dona Paula, but it is really raining very much. As you can see, the traffic is also increased here. So now we are waiting for the rain to stop. So guys, the rain has finally stopped. So we have taken an umbrella and now we are walking towards the Dona Paula point. Okay guys, so I think there is some construction going around. I can see some iron bars lying around. Oh, I think the point is closed. We should have checked online. We actually wanted to go to that point. If you guys are planning to come here, so please check online first before you come here. But at least we can enjoy this amazing view and go to our hotel. On our way to the hotel, we also saw the Big Daddy Casino. And also Majestic Pride Casino. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.